Object snap in AutoCAD is very important, specifically if you would like to create critical design and this complicated design as well. Example, this square you can see here, it looks like it's accurate, and when you zoom in, you will see the corners are not connected. For example, the vertical line and the horizontal line, they are not connected together as they supposed to be. Here also in this corner, you will see the line, it just overlapping as not connected as supposed to be. Object snap is very important and it's helpful to create a precise drawing, and it's helping us to be very precise and to selecting precise location from where you would like to start and end your new drawing or new line. For example, if you have here a circle and you would like to start the line, a new line from the center of this circle until the midpoint of this line. In this case, if you turn off this object snap from the status bar, you will not be able to specify it exactly and correctly. As you can see here, I select the line command from the ribbon bar and I hover over this circle. You can't find out the center of the circle. Also the same thing with the midpoint. But if you click on the object snap and enable it right from here, from the status bar, make sure to select the end point, midpoint, all the necessary objects snap that you would like to use, and then enable them. You will see the light blue there on. Now I select the line from here and I hover over this circle. You can see the center mark is appearing there. Once I hover over there, you can see the object snap mark as a center. It's mentioned there with the green color. Once you click there, left click, you will start initially your line from that center point exactly. If you hover over this line, you will see this is the midpoint, this is the end point, auto snap mark as well, which it's help us to be selecting the very precise location to end up our line. I will just click on this midpoint. Here you go. So now I have created successfully line from this center exactly to this midpoint exactly. Let's make sure to activate it all the unchecked on all the object snap you would like to use for your next step. For example, if you would like to activate like temporary turn off all the object snap and turn on only one object snap for your next step only, you will do the same thing but in different way. Select for example the line command from the ribbon bar. Now if you hover over the line, you will see the end point on and the midpoint as well, center point as well, quadrant point as well. If you would like to turn them all off and except one next object snap on, you have to press the shift from the keyboard and hold it down and then right click. You will see this list of all the object snap you can turn on temporary for the next step only. In this case, I will select the midpoint for example. Now if you hover over any line, above any line, you will see only the midpoint on. You can't see the end point. For example, I click on this midpoint and then I will hover over on this. Now you will see the midpoint, end point as well. If you would like to turn on only one object snap, for example, let's say the quadrant point, I will hold the shift down, right click, and I will select the quadrant point. In this case, the only quadrant point will be available and activated. So 1, 2, as you know, every circle it has a 4 quadrant point, so you can select it and click on it. In this case, you will be very precise to creating this with object snap, using object snap in AutoCAD.